Hi guys, I'm Szenan-Balance from AQTCM School, and today I'm going to talk about back 5 points, but this back 5 points is different with the other back 5 points. The other back 5 points talk about lower back 5 points, and this is upper back and middle back 5 points. Right, stay tuned. I'm going to show you where the location, number 1. Number 2, I'm going to show you what meridian and what organ does it actually treat. Okay. Number 3, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to show you as an acupuncturist how do you get to the point and what manipulation technique should you apply. Number 4, if you watch this video, you're not an acupuncturist or you are an acupuncturist, but just happen that you don't have needle with you. What should you do? Acupressure point, right? And how long and what technique do you apply for it? All right, stay tuned. Now let's start. First, location. Before we talk about location, I should talk about this. Okay. You see, this is lower back, L2, and navel, right? And this is neck. And what about between neck and lower back, upper back, and middle back? Yes, we're going to talk about how to treat here and here with the simple 5 points on the hand. As you can see here, the black spot in here, this is large intestine 3, right? This is large intestine 4. And large intestine 3, same level over here. This is small intestine 3. Right now, this is all neck 5 points. And here we have one video talk about navel 5 point, navel or abdominal 5 points, right? On the same level of large intestine 4 over here, 5 points, right? And which is we're treating here, right? Those we can treat here as well. You see that? Okay. Now, this is treating here. This is treating here. What about here? The orange dots in here. So, the orange dots in here, if you go, this is neck, you go down a little bit in this area, then that's treating upper back. If you're going low a little bit, closer to the large intestine 4, that is middle back. You get me? And why 5 points? I'm going to explain what organs and what meridian it treats. The 6th meridian here is dual meridian. And what about here? It is what we call bladder meridian, and this is small intestine meridian. On the side, it's gallbladder meridian, right? Small intestine meridian can treat dual meridian as well as bladder meridian, as well as small intestine meridian. And the meridian here, gallbladder meridian, Szenan-Balance meridian can treat it. That's it. So it balances all the meridian here. And the rest of it, which means between the meridian, this one and this one, and this one and this one, this one and this one, and this one, between here and here, that meridian, there's no meridian in here that you treat from here, that one. Okay? Those two. Okay, this one, this is the large intestine meridian. It does not treat any of the 6 meridian. So what does it treat in here? Look, large intestine meridian in here, it can balance the organs. Well, firstly, it can balance kidney organs, but kidneys in here, kidneys no longer in here. Treat lower back pain, we talk about kidney, right? What can it treat? It can treat lung. Over this, what is in here? Inside, that's lung. So large intestine can treat lungs, organs. You get me? Now, furthermore, if the pain is in from here, which is gallbladder, coming down to here, or the pain is from discomfort from the liver, or we call liver qi stagnation, and causing pain over here. Which point? Liver qi stagnation, large intestine and small intestine can treat liver qi stagnation, organ problem. Do you get me? It makes sense, right? So we're not just treating sick meridian, we cover the sick organs as well. Now, gallbladder. If it's gallbladder, often gallbladder pain, go to the side, gallbladder pain on here. If you know there's a gallbladder issue that's causing the pain in here, what is the point you want to focus on? Apart from you put bang, 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 5 points in here, you want to focus on Szenan meridian in here. You want to put more stimulation in here because Szenan meridian treat gallbladder organs. That's it. Very simple, right? Very, very simple. So you're not just treating sick meridian, you're treating sick organs as well. So this is New Balance Method Acupuncture. And the Balance Method Acupuncture, the original one, it's only described the sick meridian. It does not talk about sick organs and the pain relief conditions and pain conditions, right? But we in New Balance Method Acupuncture, we want to cover the sick organs. So this is the New Balance Method Acupuncture. Apart from that, if you know how to figure out the yang hand, which side yang hand, needle the yang hand because yang hand work better. It cover the structure as well. If you're not quite sure how to do it, it doesn't matter which side, then you only balance sick meridian and sick organ, but not the structure. Okay, that's the thing. Next, we have cover location. Between the location, you see large intestine between the first, second metacarpal bone, second and third and fourth metacarpal bone, fourth and fifth metacarpal bone is on the side of the fifth metacarpal bone. All right. We cover the location. We cover it can treat sick meridian and sick organs. And now, if you're an acupuncturist, what technique should you apply? You find the acupressure point, needle it, and you want to apply manipulation of 常规探穴, which is 5 direction, in and out needle. You get a sensation going down here, it's even better. If it's not, you get twitching on inside, it's even better. If it's not, that's okay. Just follow the 5 direction and needle it. My free webinar previously, I introduced this technique. Go and watch those videos. This is going to be, keep it simple. But all the point, if the patient is so afraid of needle sensation, don't worry. Get the access point, place it there, and leave it for half an hour. Now, with my technique, New Balance Method Acupuncture, put needle in and new manipulation, the pain gone, needle out. That's it. You don't have to lift it. You don't have to retain the needles. If you want to retain needles, up to you. I don't normally do that. Okay. Next, what else can we do? If you are a mesotherapist, if you're not doing acupuncture, or if you're an acupuncturist, you go for a trip, you don't have a needle. What can you do? Acupressure point. Acupressure point is very simple. When you get the access point, you rub it. Rub hard, firm for 10 times. And move to the next point and find the access point 10 times. 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 That's it. And then repeat it for 3 times. And while you needle it or when you press it, you get the patient to move the upper back. And it gives it instant relief. Okay? Now, down this video, there is a website and you can figure it out. You can find out when are we going to have our next workshop. And welcome to join New Balance Method Acupuncture because we teach much more. And we teach you a technique that you don't have to retain the needle. It saves time. You can treat one patient in and out 5 minutes or 15 minutes. You don't have to spend hour to do the needle. You don't have to retain the needle, right? And they get better results, all right? I do quick acupuncture in my clinic, all right? So I want to introduce this new technique to you. And when I teach that new balance method acupuncture, I teach local point as well, which is GE acupuncture. I include GE acupuncture inside of my workshop, okay? Well, I'll see you later. If you like this video, please comment down there, give me a thumbs up, and share this live video and let more people know about my back 5 points series. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.